Hi everyone. So in today's video I'm going to show you something interesting done by one Ford Endeavour, and we did this project few months back, I think before lockdown, and we recently saw that even Ford Endeavour has launched a sports edition, and surprisingly we had done the same thing, almost the same thing I can say, which now they have launched. So have a look at this video guys. Thank you.
Hi everyone. So you can see this is a Ford Endeavour which has come to Autorounders for the exterior and interior customization job. And along with that, even the interior will get customized. That's the existing stock interior of this car, and I think this will be the first car with Ford Endeavour interior getting customized. You can check the existing finish of the car, and then stay tuned, we will update you once this job is completed. The entire interior will be in genuine leather with wooden finish. Stay tuned guys. This is the same Ford Endeavour which is now customized by Autorounders. You can see all the chrome parts are now in black. You can see the finishing. Even the alloy wheels are painted in satin matte black. So you can see all the chrome parts are now into black. And the best part is the interior customization of this car. You can call us on 7666 930 930. We are from Mumbai. Thank you guys.